More news coming in. Let's go straight to these developments as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned. The West Bengal Chief Minister's planned CBI raids in Sandesh Khali. Mamata said, even if a chocolate bomb explodes, why send the agency? Why sending NIA? Why the NSG to Sandesh Khali? Maybe they have to put those things inside that home. Is essentially what the Chief Minister said, casting aspersions on the functioning of these agencies. Anirban is getting us more details on that story. Anirban, as far as this entire issue of Sandesh Khali is concerned, the West Bengal Chief Minister continues to allege that it is working, in fact, at the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the centre.
Well, see, Sneha, Mamata Banerjee has attacked on central agencies over Sandesh Khali arms recovery. As we all know that yesterday the CBI has already raided Sandesh Khali as well. There is an NSG team, those who have visited there and also have found some of the arms and ammunition from that area. After that, the politics is escalating, and after that, Mamata Banerjee today in a meeting in Asansol, in a public meeting, addressed the people and also has attacked central government as well as BJP. She said that you are doing NIA, CBI and NSG like agencies, like war is happening, and if one chocolate bomb explodes in West Bengal, you send CBI, NSG and all the agencies over here. So she is a little bit angry over the issue, and she also said that the BJP leader has stored bombs in his residence, as she has also alleged that, and also she has attacked PM Modi in this issue, and after that the politics is escalating as well as the BJP has also given their counters over it, and also the politics is escalating in West Bengal right now over the Sandesh Khali issue.
Thanking you, Anirban, for the moment for getting us those details. We also have a reaction of the Chief Minister. Here's what she said going after the CBI attacking these agencies.
बिहार में एक चॉकलेट बोमा फटने से भी आपको सीबीआई, आपको एनआईए, आपको एनएसजी जैसे कोई युद्ध हो रहा है, और वन साइडेड स्टेट पुलिस को बताया नहीं, किसी को पता नहीं है क्या क्या मिला, किधर से मिला। ये भी हो सकता है खुद उन्होंने गाड़ी से ले आया, लेके शो किया है, कोई एविडेंस नहीं हुआ है कि वो उधर में थे। आज भी छोटा एक इंसिडेंट संदेश खाली में मेरे को आने का पहले मिला, और बीजेपी का एक नेता का घर में बोमा जमा करके रखा था। वो सोचता है बोम मार के नकड़ी खा के वो इलेक्शन में जीत सकता है। इट इज आवर चैलेंज ऑल्सो, बोम मार के नौकरी खा के आप चाकरी नहीं जीत सकते हैं। जनता के लिए भाग्यार क्षमता नहीं, किल मारार गोसाई।